I could definitely see where the homeowner would be very scared. The homeowner took us in the basement, and we had initially seen that there was a lot of shearing going on down the middle of the wall. It probably was personally one of the worst walls that I had worked on before. If they had never called Ayers to come out there, their whole wall definitely would have came in. Even though it looked as bad as it was, I didn't feel 100% confident we'd be able to get it back. Especially doing that, they did the wall straightening procedure where we dug by the house. That takes all of the pressure off of the wall and allows the wall to move back freely. The gaps got closed up, and being that the actual wall was able to move straight from what it was to what it is now, I'm beyond happy.